How to fix the TikTok no internet connection error on your iPhone. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working properly. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds and turn it off again. If the problem continues, try the next solution. Open Settings. Tap General, and then select iPhone storage. Find and tap TikTok. Then select Offload App and confirm. Once it's finished, tap Reinstall App. If TikTok still shows the no internet connection error, reset your network settings. Go back to Settings, tap General, then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted and confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings again. Keep in mind that this will remove your saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, so you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi afterward. Now, open TikTok and check whether the internet connection issue has been fixed. And that's how you can fix the TikTok no internet connection problem on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching.